Good morning and welcome to Universal Studios Orlando. It's a little bit windy today, which makes it a little bit cooler, which feels nice to be honest. But anywho, we're going to take you on our day around the park. Come on.
Hello, humans. Welcome, recruits. Your tour is about to begin.
Time for Minions Mayhem. And I'm sure they're building some of the sort of Minions over here where Shrek used to be, because it is painted up with Minions all over it. We don't know, but we will find out.
You want to be a Minion? Your training will begin soon, but be warned, danger lurks at every turn. Please! Daddy's trying to be evil.
What are you doing?
I am crying.
Oh, you're cute as puppy.
Now, where is Margot?
What? There was a smudge.
I am evil clown. Fear my red nose.
That's enough. Girls, would you please just let me do this?
We were just trying to keep things interesting.
Okay, just be still. Don't say any more words. These are my daughters. Say hello briefly.
Hello out there. Some greetings from the television.
Anyway, let's begin. We're going to start with a written exam. You know I meant me, right? I'm sure that was obvious. Alright, if you are ready to be a minion, welcome to the family. So, do what I say, heed my words, or pay the price.
Party time! Well, the breeze has dropped and it's getting hot. I think we're going to go get some food now and then go on Transformers. Everything's still set up during the day for Halloween Horror Nights. Theme Park Pigeon! Ellie! Ooh, he's looking at nails. Want to see your nails? Ellie's a better.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Thank you. Creepy tall Egyptian people. Ellie.
How do you do so far, everybody? Alright, let me check in with that thing. Ready?
The meat locker. Fried zombie brains, spicy fried offals, spoiled angry bear meat, sour beaten gummy heart, and fresh ground princess. So that's an area that's open during Halloween Horror Nights, and I will fetch you back. We may get some to try. I have heard they're not very nice. Yeah. Whenever you see tarps on the Halloween Horror Night decorations, it means one thing: dead bodies. And welcome back to London. We're going to head into Diagon Alley through the wall to go to the Leaky Cauldron for our lunch. Here we go through the wall, and if you listen closely, you can hear the bricks moving. Welcome to Diagon Alley. And this is our menu.
Fish and chips is there. It's a clown like a junior, like chicken sandwich.
Butterbeer. Fizzy orange. So I'm getting beef, lamb, Guinness stew with a salad, and I'm pinching Tristan's chicken off his sandwich. Let me get a little try of this. Bit of beef, a bit of bada boom.
Can I have your tomato?
Yes, you can have my tomato. Very nice beef, very tender, nice. And it comes served in a bread bowl, so it's like a bread roll that's hollowed out. And that's a little bit of a cross section. So you can see it does have quite a thick bread base in the bottom of there. Well, we're heading up to Transformers the Ride in 3D.
It's kind of like Spider-Man.
Yeah, like Ali says, it's basically a copy of Spider-Man with different visuals. Here we go.
All right, recruits. Ready or not, it's mission time. Glad I got company. Now, put on your glasses. So if anyone sees trouble... Uh-oh, that's trouble, all right. Watch out!
Oh no!
It's Mavic. He's after the Allspark! Gotta catch him. Bumblebee, up on the catwalk. Behind you! Got it!
We did it! We saved the planet. We beat the Decepticons. And Optimus Prime is happy. Anywho, we're going to head now to the Bourne Spectacular, see if we can watch that, because that's something that we've never seen before. It replaced Terminator. Ooh, Marilyn Monroe. What? Marilyn? Hi, Marilyn.
Hi, Marilyn.
Hey, she blew a kiss. Bye. What a cool little car. He's a Ferrari. Hey Marilyn. I'm good, thank you.
Wonderful. What's your name, dear?
Terry.
Terry. It's a pleasure, Mr. Terry. Where are you visiting from?
UK.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
My queen just died.
She died?
She died.
Oh, I just saw her last week. Oh, that's
Never.
awful.
It is.
Oh my goodness, I better send my condolences.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness, well I'm so sorry to hear that. Well, how's the rest of the royal family? Are they doing well?
Very good.
Oh good, I'm glad to hear that. I would hate to hear something bad. No, she had all those little dogs too.
The corgis.
The corgis.
The
yes.
corgis.
Oh, she always loved her corgis.
Yes, our son's looking after the corgis now.
Oh, she is. Well, that's wonderful. I'm glad they're in good hands.
Nice meeting you.
Well, it's nice to meet you too, honey. You have a
Bye-bye.
lovely day. I'll come see you soon.
Say bye to YouTube.
Bye. YouTube, is it?
YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
Thank you. Well, that's the first time I've done the Born Stunt Spectacular, and it was fantastic. Much, much better than what the Terminator was. What do you think, Count? That's some sticky toffee apple. So yeah, it was absolutely fantastic. I do highly recommend that show.
Do you want your picture taken?
And it looks like we've had a big downpour whilst we're in there, so luckily we're indoors. But I'm not liking to look at that sky. The Central Park area all set up for Halloween Horror Nights.
The scarecrows.
The Scarecrows Scare Zone. And must be a dead body. Although they don't cover that one up. And all the stanchions are getting put up, and it's only 3:30. The park closes at 5, and that's when the Stay and Scream opens. But they're segregating. But they're separating all the areas now with these stanchions. Too early in my opinion, but hey ho. Men in Black time.
Who's gonna win? Probably you.
Men in Black. Well, that's Men in Black done, and guess who won? Again. God.
Had his finger on the big red button you were right.
Yes, I got the red button and got the bonus, but that's part of the game. But anywho, I'll take it easy on them next time. And it's getting really busy here at Universal Studios due to the fact that Halloween Horror Night starts in 1 hour's time. And they've closed all of the normal walkways for the Stay and Scream. So you have to walk miles around, and if you're not staying in Stay and Scream, you have these limited paths to use. So hence it gets a lot busier. For example, that is the Stay and Scream area right there. Another Stay and Scream holding area right there. But here we go, we've made it around to the Mummy by walking all the way around the park to get to this one area. So the Mummy is in soft opening mode at the moment, so it is open and closed periodically throughout the day. So it's a sort of a hit and miss whether you get on it at the moment, but we are getting on it right now.
You know, we actually use real artifacts from the digs in Egypt for a lot of the filming.
So I think that'll just about do it from Universal Studios Florida today. We're going to head back to the hotel now and meet up with Chris and Debbie Goforth from the Chris Goforth channel. So that being said, I'll see you all tomorrow. Now it's time to do your job.